Hello everyone. I am very excited to present to you the solution to my current world best 9.27 single. I got this last night it was like around 2 a.m. I was just trying to break in my FTO and I had taken it apart, cleaned out all the pieces because it was feeling very like gunky and stuff. And I lubed the screws with like Trax 50K and I wanted to break it in, right? So and I put a little bit of Angstrom Dignitas in basically just this track area, right? So that's sort of the context of this record. So I did about 294 solves, I guess, according to my session, and that's when I finally got the 9.27 single. So yeah, so here's the scramble. Okay, so here's what I saw. So the first thing I saw was this formed triple, and I wanted to see if I could preserve it. So it would be nice if the large trap that I form is the one that this triple is attached to, but unfortunately that's a bit difficult here because this doesn't really lend itself to that easily, and neither does this. So then I had to think about so this triple is fairly easy to form, right? I can just move this blue over and bring it up. And when I saw the solution I had to solve this, I basically didn't want to spend extra moves preserving this. So I knew it wouldn't be affected that much. So, but I knew this would be broken up for sure. So what I did was like that to form that large triple, and then I just inserted this small trap. So I instinctively moved this down actually to here, right? Because I didn't realize that this was all it formed itself. Even though it moved down, it formed itself with another like purple triangle. So I moved it down there, and then I inserted it, and that actually forms this triple, the red and blue one right here, and that I can just insert there. So then so basically two free triples for the first two triples, and that's like extremely lucky, right? The next thing I saw was this triple. Not triple, sorry. This large trap for the gray center, and it's already in the right color scheme. So then I can solve the small trap like so. That, and then here I know I have to orient the center to make the yellow on facing this way. So then after that I did a little R, and then I moved on to the next center. So here I saw that we already have sort of like a triangle and edge pair. So then I can make it by bringing this down, right, like that. And that actually makes it really easy to solve the rest of the center. And it's already in the right color scheme, so then you just insert like that. And then I orient this center and orient that center and then rotate. Okay, so now what we have is the last bottom triples corner already in place. And here we see that we just have like random triangles in here, right? Like triangles that don't belong in this in these positions as well. So usually what I do for this is, so I don't know the LBT cases, like the LBT algs that solve this optimally, but I know for this generally it's more efficient to just insert each one using the hole-in-one trick. So this blue one is right on top. So generally, so you can insert them from when the triangles are on top or when they're in the back. And here, I'm already holding it like this, and we have it on top. So this is very easy to insert. You just bring this down, insert like that, and bring it back up. So that inserts that. Then I look up, and both. So I know when I do that, it'll flip at least one of the triples. So I guess it'll flip both the triples, and it'll cause the purple ones to be on top as well. So then I rotate here. And here I did a U prime to get this one on top of this slot, and I inserted it like that. And as you can see, I got a last three triple skip, obviously very lucky. So that's just a U AUF, and then I was done. So I will try to do a quick down solve of how this solve sort of looked like in real time. So I was looking around, and then okay, that was a bit faster than it's supposed to be, but it was sort of kind of like that. Yeah, so that's the single. I'm extremely happy to have gotten this. I didn't think I'd get a sub 10 so quickly. Like, I know I would have gotten it eventually if I, kept doing solves, but yeah, this is like I don't even know what to feel right now. Like I feel like I'm still processing this, and yeah, like this scramble was just amazing. In total, it was like 40. So I believe it was 45 moves. I most likely executed it with a bit more moves, probably like between like 46 and 48 moves. I'm not exactly sure because unfortunately I didn't record this, but yeah, that's crazy. Hopefully I can get a lot more world bests in the future, but this is my first world best. I like an FTO obviously, and I'm very, very happy that I was able to pull this off. Usually I get very lucky solves like this, and like, like like say it's like a last 3 triple skip or something. Usually the time would be like a 14 or a 16 or something, like not great for what it is, and that would be because maybe I like kind of fail in the first couple of steps and like don't really look ahead that much and like turn poorly. But in this solve, I turned like my look ahead was like pretty decent. I turned as best as I think I could. Like I didn't make any major like mistakes, or I didn't have any lockups, and then of course I got the last 2 triple skip. So that's all you really need for a personal best or a world best, I think. But yeah, thanks guys for watching and just being with me for this journey, this FTO journey of mine. And yeah, I really don't know what else there is to do in this event. I think like this was my goal for so long, to get world best, and realistically the only thing I could have gotten it in was single. So I think this satisfies that. Like I did, this was, but I didn't think I would actually get it though, it was like a lofty dream, but yeah, this is just insane.